What up, peeps? How to replace a 2023 VW Atlas battery. Well, looks like I'm just gonna start with the screws here, these little bolts. Of course it's metric, 10 millimeters. Do that for both terminals. Okay, there's a tab over here, right here. You just push this and lift this up. We got some more bolts to get off. Maybe, I don't know. Let me see if I can pull this up. This bolt is also 10 millimeters. Pull this one all the way off. Put it somewhere where it won't drop. Okay. That made a scary shit. Well, all right, I'm gonna use two hands and see what to do here. All right, taking this off, 13 millimeter socket. Got a flathead screwdriver. Pop off this plastic piece. I already broke it, but I'm gonna try stick this. Well, that's too big to go in there, and this smaller flathead. Oh man. This isn't even a flathead, but I don't have one small enough, Germans. Okay, so this thing is just, you need something to push this out. This little plastic flap here. And you probably just rip the other side off, but I already broke this side. Whatever. Push, there we go. I'm not a fan of plastic, guys, if you can't tell. It's gonna break eventually. All right, so this is off. Move that over here or something. All right. Move this out of the way. Then you take this side off. 10 millimeter bolt. Then there's a 13 millimeter bolt right there I need to get off. That's a little deep. You got an extender, I'd use it. But we'll get you. We'll get you 13 mil. We'll get you out of there. There we go. Ish. No. Come on, bottom plate. Is it secure? Is everything secure? VW, huh? Good. Yeah, later. Oh, it's a long one. Okay. This is the cool part. The little handles. These little cute handles on the battery. All right, I think I need to pull this plate out or something. Okay, it's moving. Slides right up. Now, oh, that's a little heavy. I'm gonna need two hands.
Yeah, let's get this battery.
Going to O'Reilly to see if it's the battery or if it's the alternator. Oh, O'Reilly Auto Parts. Battery. Look for the one with the higher CCA, cold cranking amp. That says 1125, and that's when I'm starting it. If you wanted to put your numbers on here, you can, but if you bought it at O'Reilly, you're in the system. I don't know, mine came with this, my previous battery had this cute little sweater on it, so I put it back on. I guess I just slide this back, and Sarah's filming herself taking out a diaper.
We have issues.
Yeah. Put it in. Positive side out. Back with the sweater. This freaking. Oh. Use the flashlight feature on my phone and found the hole. Now I'm gonna screw it in. Alright, now I guess the next step, put this on. screwed all that together, put it back in. Now this the negative. Careful, it did spark. I was holding the wire when I put it back on. Just push it down. But heard some noises. Okay, please don't shock me. Okay. 10 millimeters. Almost done, guys. Little plastic pieces won't need anymore, but... And that's how you change a VW Atlas battery. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.